It's the resumed trial of Justice Sylvester Ngwuta, who is standing trial for money laundering and breach of public trust. The trial continued with the cross-examination of a prosecution witness, Mr. Ngwuta, an officer of the Nigerian Immigration, who conducted a forensic analysis of the diplomatic and standard passports belonging to the Supreme Court Justice. Mr. Katana, who was cross-examined by counsel to Justice Ngwuta, Mr. Kanu Agabi, told the court that the immigration rules made allowance for genuine mistakes, but in the instant case, the defendant cannot be said to have made a genuine mistake. The witness, however, informed the court that his forensic report showed that Justice Ngwuta was using the two standard passports interchangeably at the time of his arrest on October 7, 2016, by the operatives of the Department of State Services. Mr. Katana said ordinarily Justice Ngwuta ought to have returned the recovered passport to the Immigration Service when it was found. The witness, who confirmed that 4 diplomatic passports and 2 standard passports were found in the possession of the defendant, said that his forensic analysis on the 6 passports did not show evidence of forgery. In his words, "I did the analysis on the 6 passports to determine whether there was forgery, and by the time I concluded my analysis of the passports, I found no evidence of forgery in any of them." He added that there are circumstances under which a citizen can have more than 1 passport, but not 2 of the same passports at the same time, as in the instant case.
Assuming that they made a mistake in traveling with an old passport, what is the offense? What did they do wrong? Why are they making this into this big issue that he traveled with an old passport?
What was expected of him was for him, now that he found that passport, to declare it, to report it, and declare it to the National Immigration Service. But he didn't do that. He continued to hold his passport and be using them interchangeably.
The case has been adjourned to October 20, 2017 for continuation of trial. Amaka Okafor, Channels Television News.